with me is Oppo Reno 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. You need to begin by opening one of your apps. I will go with Chrome. Now you need to click on this button with 3 lines. Click on the top right corner of your app on those 3 dots and select floating window. Finally, as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, you can always do that by holding this line and placing it. If you wish to, you can always make this window smaller by clicking Home button. You can even turn it into a bubble by swiping it to the side. If you wish to access it now, you need to click on the shortcut. If you want to use it overlay other apps, you can do that by selecting the other one and operating in both of them. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by clicking on this X icon at the top right corner of it, or simply closing it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!